Hi everyone, I'm James. This is a look ahead at one of our field study locations, Baltic Point. Baltic Point's a groundbreaking development as it's the state of Utah's first commercial mass timber office building. Baltic Point's a Class A office building located in Draper, Utah. It was finished in 2024, so this past year has over 136,000 square feet, spread throughout its 5 office floors atop 2 levels of podium parking. 7 total stories of innovative construction. Baltic Point is poised to set new standards in commercial real estate within the region. Baltic Point is strategically located in Draper, Utah, just off Interstate 15, offering direct access to Salt Lake City and the broader Wasatch Front. Its site location not only enhances business connectivity, but it also provides breathtaking mountain views and modern amenities that elevate the working environment. Architecturally, the design emphasizes biophilic principles, using exposed mass timber to create warm and natural interiors that support employee wellness and productivity. If we look at it from a structural standpoint, the building integrates CLT, glulam, and buckling restrained braces, or BRBs, which is a cutting edge technology that enhances seismic resilience. This hybrid structural system that combines steel and mass timber is particularly important given Utah's position in an active seismic zone. Construction efficiency was also prioritized in this project. The prefabricated mass timber components were manufactured off-site and assembled rapidly, allowing for shorter construction timelines, reduced labor needs, and minimal material waste. Lastly, the 2 level podium parking is not just functional, it's actually efficient. It maximizes space usage on the site and supports modern urban design by placing parking below the active office floors. When we look at the community and economic impact of Baltic Point, we start to see that it's more than just an office building. This development stimulates local economic activity and strengthens the surrounding real estate market as well. New businesses have been drawn to the area, property values are rising, and the community benefits from job creation during and after construction. Looking beyond some of its basic economic impacts, you'll see Baltic Point is actually designed to foster a sense of safety, connection, and well-being. The building's layout and amenities encourage natural surveillance and accessibility, creating a secure, welcoming environment for those who work in and around the area. Shared outdoor spaces, wide walkways, recreational elements like the pickleball court engage people to get outside, interact, and stay active during the workday. Overall, these features help to promote physical health and social well-being, which supports a more connected and engaged community. Taking a look at the construction materials, we come back to the cross-laminated timber, or CLT, mentioned in a design slide. CLT is an engineered wood product made by gluing together layers of sawn lumber, with each layer oriented perpendicular to the adjacent one. You'll see beside that we've also got the glued laminated timber, or glulam, which was also used in this project here at Baltic Point. This configuration provides exceptional strength and stability, making CLT a viable alternative to traditional building materials like steel and concrete. When we look at some of the benefits of CLT, we can note that CLT, along with other mass timber products, share some of the same benefits, such as being sustainable material choices, having aesthetic appeal, both of which are becoming more important in commercial developments. As you see in this slide, it's comparable to concrete, but can be up to 5 times lighter. It's also resistant to fire as the outer layers char, preventing the inner layers from burning immediately. CLT also allows for faster construction times due to its prefabricated nature, and it offers superior thermal performance, which contributes to energy efficiency and also comfort. Here we'll look at some of the cons of CLT, if you will. First, with CLT, cost is a factor. This type of construction often involves higher upfront expenses compared to traditional materials like concrete or steel. These costs stem not just from the material itself, but from the need for specialized design, logistics, and installation expertise. Supply chain constraints can also pose challenges. In North America, there's relatively few mass timber manufacturers, so this can also lead to extended lead times, limited availability, and increased transportation costs. Moisture management is another critical issue here with CLT. CLT must be carefully protected from water during transport and construction. If it's exposed to prolonged moisture, it can swell or degrade, impacting structural performance. And from a regulatory standpoint, building code acceptance of CLT is still evolving. While it is becoming more widely recognized, some jurisdictions may require additional documentation, testing, or even fireproofing treatments, which can also delay approvals. And another often overlooked area is acoustics and vibration control. Because mass timber is relatively lightweight, it may transmit sound and vibrations more easily than heavier materials. So, to meet commercial expectations for acoustic privacy and floor stiffness, additional treatments like insulation, damping layers, or concrete topping slabs are sometimes necessary. As expected, the Baltic Pointe project had to overcome a few notable construction challenges. Over 70 truckloads of prefab mass timber were delivered to the site, demonstrating both the size of the project and the logistical precision needed. Combining BRBs, like we discussed earlier, with cross-laminated timber is still relatively uncommon in the U.S. and required advanced modeling, custom steel-to-wood connections, and carefully engineered load paths to ensure seismic energy can be safely absorbed and redirected. Even small misalignments during installation could have delayed the project, so timing and accuracy were critical. Here's a look at the project team and leadership, a couple of which will actually have their headquarters or showrooms on site. So we'll get to visit that here when we get to Utah in a couple of weeks. I'll let you guys go ahead and pause this if you need to and take some notes so you can look up anyone you're interested in. Overall, Baltic Pointe stands as a testament to the possibilities of sustainable architecture. By integrating innovative materials like CLT, focusing on community impact, sets a precedent for future developments in this region and beyond. This project exemplifies how thoughtful design and construction can contribute positively to both the environment and the economy. Looking forward to this field study as well as hearing your thoughts. Feel free to like and subscribe and comment down below. War Eagle.